Hello, hi guys. If you're here, Happy New Year. All right, so it's the first recording of the year, and I feel that it is very timely, especially because Bitcoin is right now about 9,008, 9,007, heading towards 9,008. I felt it was very important to do a recording right now because this was about the same time I bought my very first Bitcoin, and I remember that because um you can see this month, this is the 10th of February 2016, and you can see I sent somebody about $530 to buy me Bitcoin. So this video is timely because I want to discuss two things. The year of the Halving 2016, what I learned from that, and is it better to trade or invest? So if this is your first time on my channel, please like the video if it was useful to you. If you did not find it useful, please dislike as well, and let me know in the comments what I could do to improve. All right, so let's head on to it. So first things first, Bitcoin is 9,700. Wow. The first time I discovered Bitcoin, it was December of 2015. And if we look at the Bitcoin chart about that time, Bitcoin was about was about 3,000, or 391. Now, I wasn't able to buy Bitcoin until February of the following year, and it's safe to say the 10th of February it was about 380. So after the time I bought about 1.5 Bitcoin. And so after I bought Bitcoin from this person that I found on the internet, and he sold me Bitcoin using PayPal, he now advised me on how to multiply my Bitcoin. Now this video is to teach you or to let you know the mistakes you should not make as a first timer in the cryptocurrency, or the cryptoverse as they like to call it. All right, so I bought my first Bitcoin at 380. It was the year of the halving. And pretty much if it's first time cryptocurrency, what the halving means in very simple clear terms is if it took 1 hour to create one Bitcoin, once the halving happens, it will now mean that the same one Bitcoin will be created in 2 hours. Right? So it means that it is more expensive to create Bitcoin, and because it's now scarcer, the price would increase. So pretty much that's what makes 2016 and 2020 the same kind of year. So I need to say this, and this is really important, that since I bought Bitcoin in February of 2016 at 380, I never saw it at that price again. Matter of fact, okay, for March it had moved to 400. By April it was 400. By June 600. By August it was 600. By October and by December it was like 1,000, and we all know it was 20,000. So this video, what it's trying to tell you is the first thing is, if you find out about Bitcoin and you manage to buy Bitcoin, don't allow anybody tell you what you should do with your Bitcoin. The mistake I made in 2016 was, after I had gotten the Bitcoin from the said guy, his name is Adrian Hebert, he now advised me to join a program. I joined that program because that program was supposed to yield me Bitcoin every single day, I think for 5 years, and I thought that was a splendid idea. It was a wrong move. So if this is your first time in Bitcoin and you manage to buy Bitcoin, don't try to multiply it, because trust me, you don't know how to. It's hard to say, but it's just the truth. Between the time of 2016 till 2017, the end of 2000, or I can say 2018, or well, I should actually say the end of 2017. Between that time and 2017, I joined nothing less than 30 Ponzi schemes. The 1.5 Bitcoin that I bought at the time, I no longer have it, and I will never get it back at 380. The reason why I'm saying this, and it's really important, is because this is another year of the halving. And if we find Bitcoin at 980, if we go to the charts, oh sorry, Bitcoin is actually 9,800 right now if we are looking at the charts. But if you're looking at the coin market cap, because it has a little bit of a delay, it's about 9,700 for right now. All I'm just trying to tell you is that if it's your first time in Bitcoin, the first thing is not to look to multiply your Bitcoin because you don't know how to. The first thing you need to do is know how to buy. That's the first thing. Know how to store. Second thing, know how to secure your wallet. Third thing. Those are the only three things I advise should be what you should be worried about when you buy Bitcoin. Because I'm looking at it right now, and if I had kept my 1.5 Bitcoin that I had in 2016 without moving from one Ponzi scheme to the other, I would have $15,000 right now, but I don't. So take my advice, take it from somebody that has been there, done that, seen that it's not going to lead you anywhere. It is not the best thing to do. If you find out about Bitcoin and you're able to buy it, don't try to multiply it. First thing, buy. Second thing, store. Third thing, secure your storage wallet. All right, so we're going to move on to the next thing. I wanted to quickly discuss, is it better to trade or to invest? Now, from my lessons learned, I told you I joined over 30 Ponzi schemes from 2016 till the end of 2017. All of them made me no money. All of them, probably maybe just one out of all of them, out of the over 30 that I joined, made me no money, until I realized that the only true way of making money via or multiplying your Bitcoin was via trading. You have to trade your Bitcoin. It's either you invest it or you trade it. Now, for instance, if I had kept the 1.5 Bitcoin I bought in 2016 and kept it till date, I would have 15,000 from a $530 investment. I hope you understand that. So I put in $530 into buying the Bitcoin, and in 4 years it would have yielded me 15,000 without doing absolutely nothing, just leaving it in a secure wallet, right? But if you're trading, then you keep having to enter a position and go out of a position, and enter a position and go out. It's not really ideal because you would make mistakes in between. I don't want to make this video too long. I think it's already too long as it were, but I would advise that if it's your first time with cryptocurrency, it's better to invest. So have a healthier portion of your money in investing into cryptocurrency. That's keeping it for long term. Then treat trading as short term. The reason why I'm saying treat it as short term is because trading comes with its own risks, and you need to understand the risk involved, or the risks involved with trading, and it takes a while to understand all of those things. I don't want to go into all of that because I don't want to make this video complicated. So I hope this video was useful. It's really, really important. First thing, if you're just getting into cryptocurrency, learn to buy, learn to store, learn to secure. First thing. Then if you're to choose between trading and investment, if you're brand new, make sure that about 90% of your portfolio is into investment, and so you're just saving. Maybe if you bought, what I mean, for instance, is if you buy $100 worth of cryptocurrency, it's better that you store up $90, and then you can say, okay, let me play around trading with $10, so that if you lose $10, then you have not lost or you've not lost the bulk of your investments. All right, so I hope this was helpful. I truly hope this was helpful. I'm going to be trying to do other new videos helping newbies in this cryptocurrency space. All right, so I'll see you in my next video.